Hello guys, today's video about Salesforce Developer Roadmap. If you want to become a Salesforce developer in 2026, this roadmap will guide you step by step. Let's start. Step 1. Understand Salesforce basics. Start with Salesforce fundamentals. Learn what is Salesforce, CRM basics, cloud computing, Salesforce ecosystem, navigation and setup. Step 2. Learn Salesforce administration. Administration is the foundation of Salesforce. You will learn users and roles, profiles and permissions, objects and fields, validation rules, reports and dashboards. You can practice like create custom objects, build reports. Step 3. Learn SOQL and SOSL. These are query languages in Salesforce. You will learn select queries, where conditions, relationships, such operations. Step 4. Learn Apex programming. Apex is the backend language of Salesforce. You will learn Apex syntax, classes and objects, triggers, collections, exception handling. You will build automation logic, trigger based projects. Step 5. Learn Visual Force and Lightning. Build UI components for Salesforce apps. You will learn Visual Force pages, Lightning components, Lightning web components. Step 6. Learn Salesforce automation. Automation improves business workflows. You will learn workflow rules, process builder, flow builder, approval processes. Step 7. You will learn integration and APIs. Connect Salesforce with other applications. You will learn REST API, SOAP API, Postman, external services. Step 8. Work on real projects. Build projects to gain practical experience. You will projects like CRM application, lead management system, employee tracking app, sales dashboard. Step 9. Learn deployment and DevOps. Understand deployment process. You will learn change sets, Salesforce DX, Git and GitHub, CI and CD basics. Step 10. Prepare for certification and interviews. Important certifications: Salesforce Administrator, Platform Developer 1, App Builder, and also you will prepare when you are going to interview. Apex questions, LWC concepts, SOQL queries, scenario based problems. You will practice on Trailhead. My final tips are: practice daily on Trailhead, build mini Salesforce apps, learn Apex and LWC deeply, earn certification, stay consistent. Thank you.